Okay, turn off your radar overlay so we get the clutter out. Okay, radar's off. Okay. Zoom in with the plus time. Okay, so where is he? Where is he?
Right here.
There he is right there. That's the AIS target. And we can see him out there in the distance. It looks like he's 2 barges wide and 2 barges long with the big white push boat at the back. So let's go ahead and touch the AIS signal. Okay, we heard a horn. That means somebody's coming out. Go ahead and touch the icon. What did it say? I guess we have to touch it again. I guess you got to touch right in the magic spot.
Yeah, right on him.
AIS on. AIS on. Well, I want to get the information. Let's come in again.
There he is.
Where is he?
Right, blinking down there.
Right there. Okay. Not cooperating, is it?
No.
Touchy feely. Isn't it supposed to tell you who it is and all that?
Yes,
stuff?
it's supposed to, but it's not doing it. Let's find ship. Off. There he is. Kimberly Ann. There she is, Kimberly Ann. And you can't see it that well, but down there where it says options. Lost it again. Kimberly Ann, 253 feet, closest point of approach. View AIS data. It's a towing boat, underway sailing, which is a term, it's an old term, but it's motoring. Destination Jackson, Alabama. ETA, where's our speed? 98-foot towboat, not including the barges. 33-foot towboat. Speed over ground, 14.2 knots. So that's all the information on the Kimberly Ann. And there she is right there. So with the touch screen, with my big fat fingers, we might have to use one of those styluses they use on smartphones and things. So let's go ahead and turn this off. And let's find our ship. That's us. Come on, guy, cooperate. There we are at the marina.
Yep.
And there he is over there. And there he is outside the window. So I guess the smart thing to do is to practice with your AIS, with your GPS, chart plotter, and radar, and find out if you need a stylus or if your fat finger will work or won't work. So there's the Kimberly Ann, Orange Beach, Alabama, at the Wharf Marina.
That's fine. I'm thinking of this thing. That's that.